In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign in ServiceTitan account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link id.servicetitan.com, press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of ServiceTitan. If you log into your account, you'll be able to manage and grow your businesses with a focus on efficiency, customer service, and profitability. So in order to log into your account, what you have to do is provide your username and password. Click on the field of username. Now enter the username over here. Now click on the field of password, enter the password. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box, remember me. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget password, and you'll be able to recover it. But if you have already entered your password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be signed in to your account. So like this, you'll easily be able to sign in to ServiceTitan account. Thank you for watching.